how to find the keyword variations to use on your page. So what we're going to do is we're going to search our keyword in Google. Now we're going to look at the bolded terms in the search. So here we can see offers emergency plumbing. So that's a keyword variation. We got drain cleaning and water cleanup services. Here, plumbing, another one, plumbing, expert plumbing. And then also they've got expert plumbing services. So then next, why? Why are we looking at these Google bolded terms? Google is bolding these variations of terms for a reason. It thinks that they are relevant to the search term, so we want them on our page. Okay, now we have a list of all of these different keyword variations we need on page. So in the screenshots here, we got near me, we've got plumbing, we've got complaints, we've got plumbers Milton, plumbers Pensacola, we got plumbing reviews. We've also got water heater, water treatment, link plumbing. We also got pump, which is interesting. Emergency toilets, pipes, sewers, sump pump, garbage disposals. Now, how many of these keyword variations do we want to use and where? We want to use these slightly higher than our competition a majority of the time in heading tags. I'm not saying to only put them in heading tags. You need to have these terms across the page in your listicle tags, your P tags, in your title tag, and meta description. We want these terms across the entire page we're trying to rank. Now, deal set is that you have the title tag that has the keyword plus keyword variation. Also, in your meta description, it has the keyword and a keyword variation. Your H1 has a main keyword, your H2 has a main keyword variation, then your H3 has a keyword variation. And for the H4, 5, and 6, you also want a keyword variation in there. Also, we want to include the area we serve. So, a keyword variation of that would be Pace, Florida plumbing, or another variation is Pace, Florida plumber. We also include area plus service variations. So Pace, water heater plumbing, Pace, water heater installation plumber, right? Do this across all of your service pages and your location pages. Now, a location page gets more location variations. A service page should get more service variations. Now, this sounds like a lot. It could be over 100 different variations. If you don't want to deal with this, I offer SEO services. Here's the link to visit. I've helped local businesses scale from 10K a month, 30K a month.